Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to Historical Places Muthu Travel Channel. Today I am going to tell about Padmanapuram Palace and Museum. Customers to this channel should subscribe to the channel before the watching video. Click on the bell button below and my videos will be notified immediately. Padmanapuram Palace, also known as a Kalkulam Palace, is a Thiruvangur place located Padmanapuram in the Kanyakumari district of Tamil Nadu. The palace was constructed around 1601 CE by Ravi Varma Kulasegara Perumal. The palace entire room filled with old Chinese jars, all gifted by Chinese merchants, a variety of weapons including swords and daggers, brass lamps, wood and stone, sculpture, a variety of furniture and large mirrors made of polished metal, a gallery of painting depicting incidents from the history of Thiruvangur, a wooden cart made of up to 64 wooden pieces of a variety of medical tree trunks, polished stone cart for cool effect, who ruled Venad between 1592 and 1609, the founder of modern Thiruvangur king Anilam Tirunal Marthanda Varma ruled Thiruvangur from 1729 to 1758. Rebuilt the place in around 1715. King Marthanda Varma dedicated the kingdom to his family deity Sri Padmanabha, a form of Lord Vishnu, who ruled the kingdom as Padmanabha or servant of Lord Padmanabha in 1975. The capital of Thiruvangur was shifted from here to the Thiruvananthapuram. The palace was surrounded by the state of Tamil Nadu, still part of Kerala style architecture. The palace, though surrounded entirely by the state of Tamil Nadu, is still part of Kerala, and the land and the palace belong to the government of Tamil Nadu. The four-storied building is located at the center of complex. The ground floor houses the royal treasury. The first floor houses the king bedroom. The ornamental bedstead is made of 64 type of herbal and medicine woods and was a gift from the Bach merchandise. Most of the rooms here and in the other part of the palace complex have built-in recesses in walls for storing weapons like swords and daggers. The second floor houses the king resting and study rooms. Here the king used to spend time during fasting days. The top floor served as the worship chamber of the royal house. Its walls are covered with executies 18th century murals. Southern Palace. The Southern Palace is as old as the Thai Kottaram, which would make it about 400 years old. Uppariga Maliga to the northwest of Thai Kottaram is one of the most notable part of the royal complex. Uppariga Maliga, which means multi-storied, back in 1745 in then King Anilam Tirunal Marthanda Varma built this grand complex. The ground floor of this Maliga housed the coveted Thiruvangur royal treasury. Above this was the place king's bed chambers. The clock tower in the palace complex has a 300-year-old clock which still keep a time. A big hall known or watch can accommodate around 1,000 guests and where ceremonial feasts were held an auspicious occasion. A secret passage now blocked through which the king's immediate family members and their entourage could escape to another palace located several kilometers away in the event of any emergency. Name of this palace is Charot Kottaram. A light of steps lead to a bathing pond which has lost its freshness due to neglect and years of disease. There is a government museum outside the palace and there is no charge to visit it. The museum preserve and maintain weapons used by kings and inscription on temple statues. There is a government museum outside the palace and there is no charge to visit it. The museum preserves and maintains weapons used by kings and inscription on temple statues. Palace entrance fees. Indian adult 14 rupees. Indian children 10 rupees. Between 5 to 12 years children are 10 rupees. Foreign adult 320 rupees. Foreign children 110 rupees. Mobile camera 20 rupees charged. Digital photography 60 rupees. Professional videography 2100 rupees. Opening time morning 9 a.m. to evening 4:30 p.m. Connectivity 39 km from Kanyakumari and 16 km from Trivandrum city, 20 km from Nagarkovil. Palace visitor not only local visitor but also other district and foreign visitors. So viewers, I kindly request that you also come this palace and learn about the palace. My heartfelt thanks to everyone who watched this video for liking our channel, sharing it with your friends and relatives, subscribing to the channel and following the Facebook page on the channel. Thanks for watching this video.